Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today we'll be making a copycat recipe of Chili's Cosmo Rita. But before I get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails low carb or keto friendly, as always, click the subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll be notified next time I put out a video. So let's go ahead and get drinking. Now I'm on the email list for the restaurant chain Chili's, and something popped up my email today and it looked pretty good, and that was a Cosmo Rita. Basically, they took a Cosmopolitan and a margarita, smashed them together. Now, this is their margarita for the month. I think it's $5. So if you're seeing this here in, I think it's August 2019, head over there and try theirs, and then try mine and let me know which one's better. So let's go ahead and try this out. And I played around a couple times earlier today trying to figure this out. And I think I came up with a good ratio that I think tastes good. So we're gonna be making that. In our tin, we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. I think I need to get a new pour spout. This one's leaking. And from there, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of tequila. So far, we're at 0 grams of carbs. Vodka 0, tequila 0, and there we go. Next, we need to do our low carb triple sec. Now, there'll be a link in the description below on how to make the ultra low carb triple sec. You know what, I'll even put a description in there below on how I made my original one, because that has the steps on what you need, how to peel this, and how to mix that stuff up. I'll put a link in the description below, but I'm also gonna leave a link for my monk fruit syrup, because that's what I'm using now to sweeten it, so this has 0 grams of carbs. And I got what's left of it in my Pinnacle bottle. That's what I mix it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 ounce of my low carb, 0 carb triple sec now. So we have that. So we have the vodka, Cosmo, the tequila, margarita, the triple sec, Cosmo margarita, the lime juice. Where's my lime juice? Over there. Next, the lime juice, both in Cosmo and margaritas. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of that. So really the only difference between a margarita and a Cosmopolitan is spirit, which is vodka, tequila, and the last one, I left that the fuck over there too. Fuck. Cranberry juice. So the cranberry juice is gonna have 0.25 grams of carbs per ounce. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of cranberry juice. And that's gonna be a 0.5 gram of carb. So in our cocktail, we have the vodka, 0 carbs, tequila, 0 carbs. My new recipe for my low carb triple sec, 0 grams of carbs. Concentrated lime juice, 0 grams of carbs. Cranberry juice, 0.5 gram of carb. So we'll go ahead and put some ice in this, shake it. And give it a good shake. And there we go. Now, this is where you kind of play with it. Is it a Cosmo in a martini glass? Is it a margarita in a margarita glass? I don't know. Have it your way. So let's go ahead with the margarita glass. And you could put some fresh ice in there if you'd like. It'll keep it from diluting as much. But that's it. So I'm gonna move this out the way. And we're gonna garnish that. Son of a bitch. You can't do a video without forgetting something. Cutting board and knife. Oh man, one day I'm gonna film a video and have everything up here that I need. I'm swinging a knife around my face. All right, so we can garnish that with a lime wheel. And there you have it. Copycat recipe of the Chili's Cosmo Rita. Man, that's absolutely amazing. Now I did use JT Melick vodka, which it's a local vodka here from Louisiana. It's a rice vodka. It's not over distilled, so it's got a little bit of sweet body to it. So it kind of tastes like a basic margarita, just a little bit sweeter because of what this vodka adds to it. Now, if you go ahead and just use like a Pinnacle or something like that, just a base plain vodka, Tito's, it's gonna just be a really alcoholic margarita. That's all that really turns into. But I think by adding the JT Melick to it, it really just amps up the overall flavor profile of this drink. So that's it, guys. Copycat recipe of Chili's Cosmo Rita. Absolutely delicious. As always, ladies and gentlemen, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great night. Because when I'm finished this, I'll be having a great night too. See y'all later.